Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. While there is so much drama in the Mseleko house, guys, at least something positive is finally happening, and Umakhumalo have been trending, guys, on social media lately. She have been celebrated. Her fans are just so happy for her, and they cannot hide it. They're actually saying it on the public. We are so happy for you, and celebrating with her after she posted her mansion. And guys, when I say the mansion is just out of this world, and people just admire her work ethic. She's so cool, man. She's so good at what she does, and here she is surprising her fans with this big beautiful mansion, which we never actually expected, which I don't think expecting is the right word to use, because obvious with Umakhumalo, guys, you can expect anything. She's a very hardworking woman, and she goes for whatever that she wants. At this point, I just feel like at least something positive is happening after Umakhwela have been crying on social media, and yo guys, a lot happened in the Mseleko house. There is so much drama, so much drama. And now I'm asking myself, okay, that side it's actually going down, while on the Makhumalo side everything is just booming, like things are working out for her. What a life. I don't even know how to describe this kind of life. I don't know, and at this point I have no idea how Umakhumalo feels, seeing ukuthi now she is crying, but people want her. They've warned her, and Umakhumalo, they're used to their husband. They're very used to him. That's why now they don't even focus on him. They're busy focusing on themselves, getting the bag.